Tommy found a time capsule. '96 Chevy Suburban with 120,000 miles on it. It's been sitting in a garage or a barn, carport, for who knows how long. No miles on it. She's fresh from the barn. We're gonna clean it up. Check that out. I mean, it's clean. What gets me, the door pins are still tight.
That's what she said. Michael.
Let's get it.
Again for you to go around it.
We gotta give him a peek of it. That paint is in amazing condition. That fiberglass rear hatch is still holding on to some mold. It'll come though. You got any bleach, Tom? No. That's after the first run of bleach. Yeah, there she is. The Suburban's coming back through. We couldn't see it a while ago.
All right, pressure washer done it really well. Found a few nicks and scratches and door dings, but what can you expect for a 30-year-old truck? Man, that looks good. Needs a date with a clay bar, wax, and a buffer.